Anybody that rode the ICP wave with 123% move to the upside, you're feeling pretty crap now because we've come back down 63% and exactly back where we started. Myself included, guys. So how am I playing the next ICP move? What could happen next for ICP? What does the macro look like as far as alt season's concerned? So ICP all the way back down to $7.20. So does $7.20 look like a good buy now? Because we've got a failed pattern on the chart. We know one thing: once we crack trend, this is going to be our next resistance. The 38.2% retracement from its previous all-time high, that is sitting at $9.52. So $9.52, clues look left. You can see that acted as resistance here. This was pushed back down. This is the level that we need to regain in the short term. So that's a failed pattern, guys. We've pulled all the way back down. We pulled back into trend. Are we holding any kind of support? Clues look left. You can see we're holding a base here. So what we'll do is we'll just add this, and then we're going to look for confluence. So we're adding a base there. That level is held once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, potentially 6 times before it comes back and cracks trend. So what we're going to do next is stick a Fibonacci retracement tool from this previous swing low, see if we've got any kind of matching confluence. Pull that back up here, and you can see this is the 786. So we're holding support, we're holding the 786. We've got a strong support base here. We know exactly what needs to happen next. We need to crack trend. Once you crack trend, guys, this is how I would play it. Hit the 38.2, hit the 38.2, come back down for a retest, retest this previous area. What does this create, guys? Inverse head and shoulders. What does that mean as far as psychology is concerned? If the trend was going to continue down, we would put in a new lower low. By us putting in a break and coming back down and creating a right shoulder, that is a reversal pattern showing that we're putting in a higher low. That's showing that the bulls have got conviction. That's showing that there's a high probability we're going to go back and test this neckline. If we test this neckline and we break this neckline, how would you measure that? From the tip of the head all the way down here to the neckline, and then you can measure that by putting a projection on the neckline all the way up to the 786. That's at just over $13, $13.20. So that's how I would play the inverse head and shoulders on ICP. Now, it's all well and good looking at the ICP chart. We know we're holding the 786. We know we've got strong support there. This is going to be the area to fall back on, i.e. that is going to be the area that you protect yourself, guys. That's giving you a strong base. That's showing you stop losses below the previous low. That's your protection zone. However, wait for momentum, wait to crack trend. Right, total 3. This is the aim of the game, guys. Anyone that's been watching this channel knows that I start taking profits when this candle goes above this candle here over 10 to 12 weeks. That's when I'm scaling out of my crypto position into other off-risk assets outside of crypto. So that's looking strong, guys. I need a pump up on the total 3. If we get a pump on the total 3, I expect things like ICP to start cracking trend. So you look at different markets, and we're looking at different ideas to build weight on top of the ICP chart. So that's what needs to happen on total 3. The next thing that we need to do is we need to know if the dollar is strong or the dollar is weak. The dollar is starting to get weak. DXY is starting to pull back finally after this rejection at this 618% retracement. Once this starts pulling back, that is a surge in altcoins. That's a surge of liquidity into speculative assets. Some of those speculative assets are cryptocurrency. A weak dollar equals strong crypto. So remember that, guys, weak dollar, strong crypto. What do we look for next? The USDT dominance. We want weak USDT because we want people to spend their USDT into altcoins. When they spend it into altcoins, the USDT dominance gets weaker and then altcoins get stronger. Weak dollar, you can look all over the place, guys. Weak dollar, that's what we're looking for. So we've got a rejection from here. We've got a lower high. If we get a break of this trend here, this is going to be a surge in altcoins. Then the last thing that we're going to look for, last thing we're going to look at is this, Ethereum BTC. Why is this so important? As we break trend here from Bitcoin season, this is Bitcoin season. This is when Bitcoin's outperforming the rest of the market. Once Ethereum starts cracking trend, that's the start of alt season. Once Ethereum starts outweighing Bitcoin, that's showing strength outside of the big daddy into the second big daddy, i.e. second biggest market cap, Ethereum. So we look at all these different markets to give us ideas when things like ICP are going to run. And it's looking pretty good as far as the dollar's concerned. We want this weak dollar. We want this break of trend of ICP. So I hope you found that useful, guys. Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. I've got Cardano in the next video later today, and I'll see you in the next one.